DMAE, short for dimethylaminoethanol, is a naturally occurring compound that's gaining traction in the skincare world. It's known for its potential to improve skin appearance, specifically in reducing the appearance of wrinkles. DMAE is found in some foods like fatty fish, but it's also available as a topical serum for direct application to the skin. This allows for concentrated application to areas where signs of aging are most prominent. DMAE has generated a lot of buzz for its potential to turn back the clock on aging skin. But how exactly does it work? What are the benefits beyond just wrinkles, and how can you incorporate it into your skincare routine safely and effectively? This essay will delve into the world of DMAE serums, providing you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your skin health. DMAE's primary claim to fame is its ability to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, giving the skin a firmer, more toned look. This effect is attributed to its role in boosting acetylcholine production. Acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in muscle contractions. When applied topically, DMAE is believed to increase acetylcholine levels in the skin. This increase in acetylcholine can lead to a tightening effect on the underlying facial muscles. The result is a visible reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, particularly around the forehead, eyes, and mouth. Essentially, DMAE is like a gentle workout for your facial muscles, helping them regain some of their youthful firmness. This mechanism is what sets DMAE apart from other topical anti-aging ingredients. While DMAE is most recognized for its wrinkle-reducing capabilities, its benefits extend far beyond just smoothing out lines. One of the lesser-known perks of DMAE is its potential to improve skin tone. DMAE has been studied for its ability to reduce the appearance of age spots and hyperpigmentation, leading to a more even complexion. This brightening effect can contribute to an overall more youthful appearance. Furthermore, DMAE is believed to possess antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are crucial for protecting the skin from environmental aggressors like pollution and UV radiation, which can accelerate the aging process. By neutralizing free radicals, DMAE may help prevent collagen breakdown and maintain the skin's elasticity. In addition to these benefits, some studies suggest that DMAE can also improve skin hydration. This is because DMAE is thought to help stabilize cell membranes, reducing moisture loss and keeping the skin plump and hydrated. Section 4. Incorporating DMAE into your routine, a step-by-step guide. Integrating DMAE serum into your skincare regimen is a straightforward process. The key is to use it consistently and correctly to maximize its benefits. Start by cleansing your face thoroughly with a gentle cleanser. This will remove any makeup, dirt, or impurities that could hinder the serum's absorption. Once your face is clean and dry, apply a pea-sized amount of DMAE serum to your entire face and neck. Gently massage it into your skin using upward motion. Avoid the delicate eye area, as DMAE serums can sometimes be too potent for this sensitive skin. Allow the serum to absorb fully before proceeding with the rest of your skincare routine. This typically takes a few minutes. Section 5. Safety and considerations using DMAE responsibly. DMAE is generally considered safe for topical use by most individuals. However, it's always wise to err on the side of caution and perform a patch test before incorporating any new product into your skincare routine. Apply a small amount of DMAE serum to an inconspicuous area of your skin, like your inner forearm. Wait for 24 hours to see if any redness, itching, or irritation occurs. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult a dermatologist. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should exercise caution and speak to their doctor before using DMAE serum, as its effects on these groups are not fully understood. By following these guidelines and listening to your body, you can enjoy the potential benefits of DMAE serum while minimizing the risk of any unwanted side effects. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare.